Hey guys, welcome back to another video where I'm going to show you how to install these original Aprilia side bags. Alright, it's a very simple installation, and I'll also link the product in the description so you guys can check it out. Anybody's interested can go ahead and buy it. It is I paid 1,500 when I bought it, right? So it was just lying in the house, and I thought, okay, why not make use of it since I've already installed the visor and the hand guards as well. So firstly, let's get into the video of the installation. So this is the bag, right? It comes with a buckle, it comes with a lock. There's a number lock. When you buy the product, you get the number lock combination on a piece of paper within the package. Alright, you got one easy access zipper here, right? And you also got another bigger zipper with quite a lot of storage space inside. So I've got the clamps and everything to this, right? So that is one thing. It also comes with these pads which kind of protect the side of the bike, but I would suggest you guys also get some additional stickers put over here so that those pads don't damage the side body panel and original sticker, right? So let's get into the video. So basically, the broader part faces the front of the bike, the narrow part faces the rear of the bike. Okay, this comes with Velcro, so you need to get the seat opened first, right? So it goes pretty much something like this. So first we'll do the rear. We just need to ensure that it's behind the indicators. The rear part of the Velcro goes just under the grab rail, behind the grab rail. We'll fix that right there. So just ensure the Velcro is secure. And in the front, just need to install it here. Close the seat, and it is as simple as that. Voila, looks pretty good. So let's check the rear. Let's check to see how the rear looks. Yeah, looks pretty good, right? So you can store whatever, if you're going for a short trip or something like that, you can definitely, store these things here. Yeah, one last thing we need to do is just secure, there's another buckle at the bottom, just secure it above the mudguard. I luckily saw that, thought I'm going to miss that. Okay, wonderful, so that's it. Rest of the buckles and everything you can use to secure this. Right, looks pretty cool. So yeah, that's about it on this particular video, and do not forget to like, comment and share, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.